teach you how to make slime today. So, we're gonna use Elmer's glue. This is Elmer's glue. Only use this glue. This is the best glue in the world. Well, you can choose what color, but who cares? Use Elmer's glue. Okay, whatever. First, you take the Elmer's glue. You dump it in. Squeeze. Okay. And then we're gonna make floofy slime. So we're gonna use this shaving cream. So we're gonna shake it up, or else it'll come out creamy. Don't squeeze too much. We're also gonna be very creamy. Oof. Ah! Yay! Yes, shaving creams. Then you close it up. Wow! The cap flew off! Jeez. What the fuck? Now, you get your mixing stick. Mixing stick. And you'll stick it in here and then start mixing. Mix. Now, you can choose a color or not choose a color at all. I'm gonna use these. You can use pigment, you can use food dye, use whatever you want. Just color it or don't color it. And then you'll squeeze. Okay, you farted. Get out of here. And now you mix. And then it turns pink. Because I added pink. Pink. And then that you see here, I have lots of glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. Glitter. Okay, so I'm going to use a color. And what color should it be? I'm going to use blue. Why? Because I like blue. Okay, so I'm going to use some blue. And then goodbye. So do you mix? And then apparently the glitter decides to disappear. It's hello darkness, my old friend. Okay. The sadness is complete. Now we activate. Activate is a very dangerous part. It will explode if you don't do it properly. So you can use this, which is this. Oof, sorry glitter. Get out of the way. You can use this stuff. Or you can use baking soda and saline solution. I prefer that, but I don't have it here, so goodbye. I'll use this. Or you can use borax mixed with water, which is very expensive. So whatever, but only at a little bit. That's too much. I'm gonna die. Oh well, but first, this is gonna be a long-term mixing. Very long-term. So let's have an old man dance here. Okay, come on, old man. Come on. Right. And the old man doesn't want to come, so the dog will dance. I'm crazy. Okay, now the dog is gonna teach you. Gonna read you a story now, because it's gonna be very boring watching someone mix. So today there's gonna be a story, and the story is going to be there once was a little. So there's gonna be a little stirring pot thingy, and then one day another slime was very unhappy because he wants to be pink, but he is gray. So he went mad, and now he attacked her house. And then everybody died miserably. Okay, now get out of here. Poor dog, but oh well. Okay, now back to the mixing show. We're gonna mix. Jeez. I feel like we're in the cottage cheese stage. Oh, get very dirty. So kids, if you are not a fan of getting your hands very, 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 very dirty, get some tissues. A lot of them. And don't get tissues, it's slime. So. Okay. Now I have magically finished mixing, but first it's a bit too gloopy. So if you get a bit too gloopy, this is called the gloopy stage. I just made that up. Don't actually search that, please don't. And then you get some of your laundry detergent or whatever it is. You dip it in there for like 2 seconds, and then you keep going. And then now there's too much activator, so now there's in the cottage cheese stage. So that's sad. And also, warning, never go into the cottage cheese stage. It is the worst stage you can possibly ever get when making slime. And the only way to solve it is making or adding glue. Okay, Pops, help me add some glue! My Pops, the magical hand. Dun 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 dun! Okay, that's enough, Pops. You can go back to your house and sleep. So, as you can see, even like you're really big like me, I'm almost 11 now, you'll still need somebody. At least a person that's older than you to help you. Unless, cause if you get your hand in the cottage cheese stage, I don't think you can open a glue bottle. Yeah, so, now the commercial.
My life is so much better when I use Tide.
Okay, hello, okay, as you can see, I've magically transformed the gloop into a magical slime from cottage cheese state. Dun 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 dun. And as you can see, this is very, 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 very nice. So there is some glitter, you can barely see it, but here you go. And then, but there is still something in here. So then you have to take it all. You scoop it up. You scoop it all up. And also you might notice the paper change is less messy. I'll tell you why. There has been an accident, a very sticky gray. A very sticky, very, very, very sticky gray slime got on here. He had a fight with this Mr. Man, this Mr. Human Being, this human being. And then they had a huge fight, and there was explosions and nuclears and stuff. And this thing spilled over, went all over the paper. And then we tried to remove the slime, but then something happened. A paper ripped, and it's now in the trash can. So make sure never put very sticky slime on paper or put activator next to it because something might happen to it. And then it'll be very, 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 very dirty. Okay, so right now I'm in the kneading stage. I'm making it very soft and stretchy, as you might say. Oh, and then we're gonna do the slime swirl test, the stretch test, the bubble test, and then the squeeze test. So yeah, so now let's remove these paper, goodbye, and clear table. Okay, so first remove everything from the table. So first, okay, remove things to the yay! Okay, so first we are going to do the stretch test. Dun 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 dun. As you can see, it was very, very stretchy. I could have stretched more, but oh well, my arm isn't that long. So let's just say you get a 5 out of 5 for stretch test. Boom. And then next is a slime swirl test. So this is how you make a slime swirl. First, dragon claw, boop, dragon claw, boop. You stretch it. Okay. You stretch it. Makes lots of air bubbles. trapping air within. This is science. If your mom or dad does not allow you to see this video, tell them there's science within this thing. Chemical reaction is happening when glue touches activators and stuff happens, and it is very most fascinating. And you can tell them it's a project, but no, actually it's not. So just okay. So actually it's a magical science slime project thingy, bajink. Yeah. And then now, almost okay. Let's start a slime swirl now. So you swirl out, and then you tuck the bits on the bottom, and then you squeeze and squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, now we're gonna do the bubble test. This might not work because it's quite tough. So what we're gonna do to it is lotion. So you'll just okay. Bye bye. Never do that at home. Never. Don't. Never do that. Never throw a lotion bottle around because you're gonna kill yourself if you do that. Okay, now it's soft and stuff. We're gonna make a slime bubble. So, ooh man, it's really sticky. Okay, so there we go. You're gonna make a slime bubble. So first you flatten it out. You flatten it out, and then you stretch. You go like this. You swing bottom. Slime bubble. Now subscribe and like the video. The first one to subscribe gets a lick from my dog. Subscribe to this channel, and the first 10 to subscribe, comment in the comment section below,